Started at dawn, the sky and shore, a moment of calm that couldn't endure. The ground shook hard, the sirens cried, and too many hearts broke open wide. In one long day, the world was torn by hands of rage, by years of scorn. But through the smoke, through shattered dreams, it's always the innocent that pay, it seems. They say there's truth, they say there's lies, each story painted to someone's eyes. This ain't a song for politics' game, for flags of power, a shift in blame. It's for the people who never chose the dust, the fear, the endless blows. For every mother, every son who wanted peace when the day was done.
2 long years and the tears still fall for nameless souls remembered by all.
Some called it justice, some called it war, but no one is safer than before. Normal lives just trying to stay, to find some light in the endless gray. They wanted bread, a roof, a friend, not walls that never seemed to end. They asked for hope, they asked for grace, and found the world a colder place. This ain't a song for politics' game, for flags of power, shifting blame. It's for the people who never chose the dust, the fear, the endless blows. For every mother, every son who wanted peace when the day was done.
They don't make laws,
They don't start fights,
they dream of quiet,
of gentle nights.
they build, they teach, they pray, they mend. They want the hurting all to end.
From Tataway to Gaza's shore, the heart of people wants no more. So here's to love that still survives, to normal hearts and normal lives. 2 years gone since that dark morn, but out of sorrow hope is born. To peace and care, to modern souls, may love outlast what hate controls. October the 7th, we remember them all, the ones who rose, the ones who fall. No flags, no kings, no names to boast, just love for the people who